Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how we can pass a component as a property in React with the Typescript. For understanding this concept, you see that suppose I have two components. First one is welcome.tsx. Then I create it like this, save this. One more component I create, that is login.tsx, like this. So in login component I display that here h2 and I say welcome guest. Okay, then we say login for full welcome. We say hello guest, login for welcome. Save this. One thing, go to welcome and here I say that h2 and we say welcome to component as props example, like that way. Save this. Now I go to this and here what I say here that is login. If it is true, then I say welcome, else I say login, like that way. So we import here, import welcome, then import login, like that way. We save this. It's good. But if I say here it is props dot login, and this welcome directly we are using right now, and we having a property here, and I say that is login. That is a property of props type, and here I specify this property interface props type, and I say is login is of boolean type. Okay, save this, and we call this component props here. So I remove the previous one and I say components props here, and I specify is login equal to true. Save this and we remove this. You see, it's very simple. Just we are passing a property, and here we need to pass under the expression. Save this, and here we have to remove this because we are directly passing this value, and we need to specify this here. Save this, and you see that we have welcome to component as props example. So that means this welcome is coming, and if I specify here false, then login will come. But that is not a matter. Matter is that if I pass welcome as a component here, remember this component, so I need to specify here the welcome is a component. So how I can pass? I have to pass here react dot component type, like this, and save this. You see that we have to specify this, and now here I need to remove this. Save this. So this welcome I am using here, but here in property we have to specify that it is welcome of welcome type. And how we can import? We just import it like this. Save this. You see this welcome we are passing here, and this welcome is coming as a component type, and we are passing here same output we have, but I need to pass here true. Save this. Now you will see that the same output we having here. That means we can pass property also as a component like we pass here. But now one question rise, if suppose what I do, I specify here a parameter also, I say welcome message is there and this message is welcome props type. So we create here interface and we pass msg as a string. No problem at all. And welcome here we pass msg, simple one. But the problem is here we have a problem. Here we have a problem because we have to pass here the property also. But how we can do this? Because we have to call here, we have to pass here message, and in message I can say Dr. Vipin classes like this. But we have to specify that this welcome having a property. But how we will specify here? We will specify here that we have the property type. For that we have to import here, what we have to import, welcome props, and from I need to pass from welcome like this because we have this here. Now I have to specify this here, welcome props, save this, and you see error is gone. So we import this from this component by export, then import from this, and we specify here that whenever we are going to use this welcome have msg as a property of string type. So if you see the answer, we have welcome Dr. Vipin classes to component as a props example. So like this way we can use component as a property and we can pass the property of component also like msg. So like that way, just we import here, we pass here as a property, and then property is of React component type, that is welcome. Then we specify here, and this we are using here because this having a msg as a property. So we pass this welcome props here, that is exported by this welcome component. So like that way you can pass component as a props also in React with the TypeScript. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.